Hello children, this lesson is for preschool beginners. This you need your parents' help and some papers, some watercolors and some crayons, scissors, sticks and those things. And what I want to teach you to improve your hand control, and you have tiny fingers here. These fingers must hold the pencils, and you have to hold the pencil properly, so and to point out the things properly. So you need to improve your fingers, muscles and everything. So these lessons I am teaching you to improve those things. So what you need, so the parents must provide those things for you. Okay, now my first lesson, I want here a piece of newspaper. Now I will teach you how to tear the newspaper. There you can have good hand control and lot of patience you need for this. Now here is how you are tearing paper, right? And then these strips you can tear into bits. Here you have very tiny fingers, so to improve your hand control and your patience, you take time. You can, as much as you can slowly tear papers like this. After these papers you can put into the dustbin without throwing everywhere. Here now this, if you like to tear another paper, here you can tear into bits. Here now, like me, I don't think you can do like how I am doing. Slowly without scratching, you slowly tear the papers into bits, right? You can tear like this and collect all the papers and don't throw everywhere. Please put them into the dustbin, right? It will dirty your classroom or your school and your bedroom, wherever you are sitting and doing it. The place have to be very clean, so you don't put it everywhere. Okay, now I'll keep it in a side, and then I teach you. Here you can tear the papers into strips slowly. Here my fingers are all working because I'm a big person, not like you. You are small children. Don't think that if it's something went wrong, don't get upset. Slowly tear. Here you can collect them. Here slowly tear the papers. Now earlier we did paper into bits. Now here paper into strips. Here strips like this. Here now like this. Here right? That's very interesting. Here now later what we can do, we can collect all the papers and making a nice thing. I'll teach you how to make. What are we going to make after tearing papers? Okay, now here we must collect it. Right. Okay, now we learn to tear papers into bits and papers into strips. Okay.